Closing arguments are set for tomorrow in Karen Read's murder retrial, and then jury deliberations are set to begin. Judge Beverly Cannone met with both sides this morning to iron out some of the final legal and procedural matters. NBC 10's John Maroney shares what we can expect moving forward.
Very important, as I learned the hard way.
Karen Read saying very little leaving court. When she returns Friday, the jury is expected to start deliberating her fate for a second time.
I was just looking at some earlier verdicts. O.J. was done in less than 4 hours, so is it possible? Sure.
The 45-year-old Read has pleaded not guilty to hitting her boyfriend John O'Keefe with her SUV after a night of drinking, leaving him to die in a blizzard. She says she's been framed.
It is excluded from evidence.
With jurors at home, Judge Beverly Cannone conferred with prosecutors and the defense on last-minute motions, proposed changes to the verdict slip, and jury instructions.
I'm trying to cut down the time the jury needs to hear general instructions.
Attorney David Yannetti said the defense won't argue the third-party culprit defense, even though they've maintained Brian Albert and Brian Higgins are responsible for O'Keefe's death, not his girlfriend.
The evidence, just at least as they presented it, never warranted the third-party argument.
Judge Cannone said Read's lawyers could put forward the Bowden defense, highlighting flaws in the way police handled the case.
Obviously, they have to overcome the horrible police investigation.
18 jurors heard the case, but only 12 will be chosen to deliberate.
I just don't think it's fair, after they've sat through so much of this trial with the various delays that we've had, to not let them start deliberating.
The judge will give the jury instructions before deliberations begin. She's given both sides an hour and 15 minutes for closing arguments. In Dedham, John Maroney, NBC 10 Boston.
NBC 10 Boston has been your home for Karen Read's second murder trial, and we will bring you those closing statements live on the air tomorrow morning. You can also watch them over on our sister station, NECN. It's also going to stream on our YouTube page as well, and then you can join us weeknights, 7 o'clock on Canton Confidential for a retrial analysis.